Hi guys, so it's me, Shura H. I'm back with another video. Today's video is going to be what I do for my 4C hair, how I get my hair curls like this. Crazy thing is, I say I'm going to make this video just because I get asked that a lot, which is super crazy, especially at work by my co-workers. I even have like a cleaning lady that comes to clean up our building every day. Shout out to her. She always asks me what I do to my hair to get it curly. She's always asking me like what products you use. And I never know what to really tell her because I use so many products. But I did help her get some products to get her hair curly, which was good for me because people always say, what do you do to your hair, blah, blah. And I'm like, oh my God, like I don't do anything special to my hair. I literally do not. So my routine is pretty simple. In the morning, I just literally use like a spray bottle, spray my hair, wet it. Then I put some products in. These are just a few products I have on the kitchen table with me right now that I'm going to show you guys that I do use in my hair. I keep it pretty simple though. Gotta brush this before my camera dies too on this iPhone. So basically, I just started using this multicultural curls. This is Miss Jessie's. I use this. I love it. It does great in my hair. I've been using this since I just started using this actually, so it's super new. I was actually using, before this, I was using Miss Jessie's, I can't think of the name, but it was in the yellow bottle. It was still Miss Jessie's, but it was something else. It was like Coley, for Coley curly hair, like my hair texture type or whatever. So I was using that on my hair, but this is actually really good on my hair. I like it a lot. It smells super good, so it has a good smell. And then I started using Lotta Body, which is coconut and shea oils. It's their curl and style milk. I say the word milk funny, so don't laugh at me. But anyway, I use this in my hair. It's super good on my hair. It smells like heaven, you guys. So yeah, I use that. Also, a big thing that I use is quenching coconut curls, hair butter leave-in rinse. I love this. I love this. I love this. It like doesn't have the best smell in the world. To me, it smells like alcohol in it or something, but it does make my hair super soft and it moisturizes my curls. And I just cut my hair, you guys. Right now you can't tell because it's like I have the headband pushing all my curls up. But I just recently cut my hair super short. It's not that short, but short enough because I was just tired of my hair and I get bored easily. So I cut my hair sometimes. But this is what I use. Also, I use rosemary mint daily styling cream. This has biotin in it, mild organic, super good. Love this. But yeah, and then if I want to do my edges sometimes, I will use this Luster's Pink Shea Butter Coconut Oil Smooth Hold Edge Gel. As you see, I use this a lot. I don't have that much gel left in here, but I love this. It does so wonderful in my hair. And the final thing I've been using in my hair is taking these gummies. These gummies are by My Organics. They're healthy hair adult vitamins. Love these. These are super expensive though, guys. They're like $20 on Target. I'm saying expensive because some people probably be like $20 is too damn much money. Too damn much money. Does that even make sense? What am I saying? It's too much money. Some people might think that. For me, it wasn't super bad, but if they have like sales, I would say re-up and get 2 or 3. You can also order from the website, but the Target that I go to near my house, they have a whole bunch of these. So I just got it. As you can see, it's getting low. Been using it a lot. I know you're supposed to take this twice a day. However, I do not do that. I do it 1 time a day because this has 5,000 milligrams of biotin and my skin is super sensitive. And I gotta tell you guys what I use on my skin to help clear it up because my skin before did not look as good as it does. So I have a few dark marks or whatever, but they're cleared up a hell of a lot from what they used to look like. So, and that's due to my products I'm using, which I'm gonna do a video on that too. But this is all I do to my hair. And this comb, I love it because it says it's unity. Fight the power. So I love this. I picked my hair out in the morning. That's all I did this morning. Put this little headband on it. If I want to use the edge control cream, sometimes I might use this comb to slick it down or do some stuff. But nothing simple. That's all I do when I want to do my simple wash and goes. It's super easy. The stuff I showed you guys is pretty much affordable. I think for the Miss Jessie's, that was $10 at Walmart. Don't exactly know how much I paid for this Mel Organics. I can't remember because I got some of these products at Walmart and then some of these products are from Target. Some of these products are from my local hair beauty supply store. So they're semi not too expensive. And basically what else I do for my hair, this is just for wash and goes, but if I'm like actually styling my hair, I have to do another video for that. But I actually use I cannot think of what the hell it is called, but it's gonna come to me. It's Cream of Nature. Yes, Cream of Nature, but it's their Jamaican black castor oil line. I've been using that and it does wonders in my hair. I do like the hair mask and all that. I do like 3 treatments in my hair. But this is just my curls. My curls are really tight to my head. They're coily. I'm just trying to figure out how to get my hair to do what it does. And one of my coworkers is like, I can't get my hair like that. It's just in a bush all the time. I'm like, I can't help everybody because I'm still learning how to do my own hair. But I'm a product junkie, you guys. And I always have different products for my hair to keep it moisturized. My biggest thing is if you're going to do wash and goes as much as I do. All right, guys. So basically what happened is the house phone started ringing, as you can hear. I wanted to black that out of the scene or whatever. However, I just was saying that if you're going to do wash and goes as much as I do, that it's super important that you keep your hair super, super moisturized. You take care of your hair because I do wash and goes pretty much every day, if not every other day. So you want to make sure your hair is moisturized and it looks nice at all times. And you're keeping some kind of spray or some kind of cream in there, because that's going to be your saving grace, especially if you're doing wash and goes. And if you have like a 4C or 4A or whatever, 4 texturette like I pretty much have, and your curls are really tight, you want to be cautious because my hair tends to break easily. So I got to be cautious. Keep that moisture in there. Definitely, because you're adding water to your hair, so you want to keep that moisture in there. Do like a moisturizing butter, whatever you can find, and just keep going. As you see right there, I'm holding that up. That's gonna be your saving grace. I love I think it's OBX or OGX or something products. Don't quote me on it, but they're really good. They're gonna help you guys a lot. I promise you, you're gonna be good. And look out for more great videos, guys, with my hair. I'm gonna keep the videos coming. Yeah, and that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna make it do what it does. Thanks for listening. Also, guys, like, subscribe, hit that button, and get to know your girl. And I'm gonna keep these videos up.